Hello guys, it's Maggie. I'm back. I'm just gonna do a little video with you about what has sold in the last 4 days. So it's gonna be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days. Oh, if you're new here, I am Maggie and I am a very part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. And if you're back to see me, thank you for stopping in. I'd like for you all to subscribe, please. I really enjoyed checking in with you guys frequently. It's very fun, and it makes me super happy when I see that people have subscribed or made a comment on a video. So anyway, I'll just jump right into it. Let me see. I should have had my pictures pulled up, but I didn't. Okay. The first thing that I wanted to show you, and I actually had a request that somebody asked me if I would just say what each sale, how much each sale was for. And I gave that a lot of thought. I wasn't sure how I felt about that. And then I thought, you know, I've been transparent so far, and I think I'm just going to keep doing that. So anyway, this is not a great picture because I'm not wonderful at that. At least I'm getting better, but this is just a pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans. You can see they're gray and they've got little sparkly embellishments on the pockets. Really nice jeans. Those sold for $18. And the next sale, I'm sure I don't have as many sales as people who've been doing it for longer, but that's okay. I mean, I'm still very excited with the sales that I made. This is a pair of Nike exercise pants. I sold those for, let me look, $29. So that was a pretty good sale. I sold this, and this is an example of a, I tried to make this point earlier in another video, that not everything I sell are really fancy brands. Some of them are just nice items. And this one, I didn't know any better. I bought it. It's a Walmart brand. It's a chambray shirt, and I cleaned it all up and ironed it. And anyway, so there's what that looks like. It's a men's chambray shirt, and I sold it for $13. So I made 10 bucks. Here, I think I showed you guys these in a haul. It's that pair of amethyst shorts that I bought. I listed those not very long ago, and they already sold. And those sold for $19. That was a good sale. This is a Tommy Hilfiger striped. Let me hold on just a second. I'm going to see if I can make it so you can see it. It's just a pinstriped, relatively old Tommy Hilfiger shirt. And that sold for $12. I probably could have held out for more money, but the person sent me a request or an offer for $12, and since she paid $12, my cost of goods was not very high. I got $9 out of it. And you guys know my goal right now is to make $10 on each sale, so I felt like $12 for that shirt was pretty good. And then the last item that I sold in the last 4 days was another terrible picture, you guys, but I promise you my pictures are getting better. Was a pair of Nike exercise pants, just plain, you know, the ones that make the noise, those kind of exercise pants, and those sold for $21. So yeah, I don't think that's so bad for only doing this for 3.5 months, and it was only 4 days. It wasn't even a whole week. I sold 6 things, and that's the total of the 6 things, if I did my math right, which, you know, it's getting late in the evening. I might not have done my math right. Anyway, it was about $112, and after Poshmark fees, I would make about $90 out of that. So, yeah, that's pretty darn good. $90 in 4 days just for shopping, which I enjoy, and listing things, which I also enjoy. So anyway, thanks for stopping by again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Again, please subscribe, and please like this video if you really do, and also make some comments below, please. And if there's anything you'd like for me to do a video on, anything you'd like for me to talk about, I would really appreciate you letting me know. Have a wonderful day. Bye.